fix sound icon in taskbar not working on Windows 10. Now, you have a sound icon on the bottom right of your taskbar, whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 11, but it is non-functional, it's not working for some reason. There could be a couple of issues. First of all, what we are trying to do is to simply try to find an empty space on our taskbar, right-click on it, and then simply open up Task Manager. Once we open up Task Manager, we want to restart Windows Explorer or File Explorer. So here, just open Windows Explorer in the background. And once you've done that, in the list of these apps, you can see Windows Explorer. You want to right click on it and then click the restart button. After you've restarted your Windows Explorer, it should solve it. If it doesn't, you can try to restart your computer. Now, chances are it could be having issues with your audio drivers. So once you open up settings, you can just come to system. From system, you can come to sound. From sound, you can try to check whether your input and output sound is working properly or not. If you want to troubleshoot common sound problems, you can click here. You can select output devices or input devices and go ahead and then troubleshoot it. And you can also try to update your audio drivers during the process. Hopefully, one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.